If you can, become aware of a slight tingling sensation in your fingers. At first, you may not feel anything at all. Or perhaps it's very strong the moment you place your attention on it. Either way, experience how the more you think about this tingling in your hands, the stronger it becomes. Enjoy this feeling and observe it with the curiosity of a child. We were all children once, and even if your particular childhood may have had some memories of sadness, perhaps you can draw on a single moment of pure innocence. It could be as simple as sliding down a slide or drawing with crayons. It could be eating that well-deserved birthday cake, either your own or at a party. Capture this moment and apply this childhood sense of delight towards the tingling in your hands. This sensation is neither good nor bad. It just is. It is something that is attainable by anyone, no matter how old or young. A moment of 100% purity is something we have all experienced. And right now is another one of those times. This feeling in your hands can be referred to as energy, power, force, or innate abilities. What if I told you that this feeling in your hands could be felt throughout your entire body simply by imagining it everywhere? It carries with it a gentle relaxation.